Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use the VLOOKUP function at Microsoft Excel. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup and it allows you to drag data from one table to another using the specific criteria. In our case, on the left side you have sales data without the price, so we actually want to fill in this range. And on the right side, you have a table with the list of prices. So what are we going to do is to set up the mouse on the first cell of a target range, and then we go to formulas, lookup and reference, and VLOOKUP. Right here, we need to fill in 4 function arguments in order to create the formula. So the lookup value is our criteria, which is the item name, so we select B5 and press enter. Next, for the table array, we select the range of the price list, and it's very important to make sure that the column on the left consists of the criteria, so you can find your criteria within this column G in our case. And secondly, we need to press F4 to fix this range to make sure that it will not be moved down while we are dragging the formula. We press enter, and next we need to select column index number. That is the sequential number of the column which will be used to get data from. So in our case, the range is from G to H, so G is the first column and H is the second column, and that's exactly where we want to get the price from. So we press 2, and for the range lookup we want to have the specific equality, so we need to find exact value of the criteria, so we use 0. We press OK, and next we need to drag this formula down to the very end. That's pretty much it. Thank you.